So before we wrap up on the menu section, so I would also like to note that this menu that we just created can actually be used in as we wish on some other themes, but not in the same location. For instance, if you should change your theme from the current one we are using, which is currently now we are using the 2020 theme. So if I should change my theme to another theme, so let's say I change it to 2019. So if you should change your theme to 2019 and you come down to the menu option, so you're going to notice that the locations that are available for the menus is just for here we have only the primary and the footer menu. So you can also select your so the expanded menu here, so you can select to make it, let's say, to show at the primary menu for this the location. This location that we are seeing is for this current theme. So when you visit the website, so you can see that it's quite different. So you can actually decide to use this expanded menu on the primary menu for the 2020 theme, and you click on save menu. So when you click on save menu, you can use the footer menu. So you can use the footer menu and use it as the footer menu here. So that's about that. And when you finally visit the site, you're going to notice that the difference are quite the same. So we have the here, and we also have the footer menu that is displayed at the footer here. So we have the footer menu here. So it actually depends on the theme that you are going to use. So if you should use another theme, the same way it's going to show is also quite different. So if I should use let me say abstract theme, if I should use abstract theme and you I activate the abstract theme, and then I know. So if I should activate the abstract theme and I go to the menu section, so the location that is going to be for abstract theme is also quite the same. We have primary menu, secondary menu, off canvas, login, footer menus, and the likes. So if you should visit the website, you are also going to notice that the way the menu shows on the abstract theme is also totally. So we have this one here, and we also have so we have this one here. So you can see how the expanded menu shows here, and here you can see how it's also shows there, which is quite different. And you can see how it shows there. You can also see how it shows there. So the theme that you use will determine how your how the menu is going to show on your website. So you have to be very conscious of the theme that you are going to use. So for this exercise, you can just play around, install and activate new tools, then try to play around and assign the menus that you've created and assign it to different locations to see how it works. So that is going to be all about that on menus. Then next we're going to move on to the next important section on this course.